can someone actually go about stopping this habit without it being overly difficult? Well, there are plenty of methods smokers use to quit, like going cold turkey, nicotine gum, lozenges, and patches. Here's why patches are the best way. Methods like cold turkey are not only extremely difficult, having to deal with cravings and withdrawals, but they also have a very slim success rate. And other methods like gum or lozenges reinforce the hand-to-mouth habit, which is another reason why smokers who use these methods typically have a higher chance of returning to smoking, making patches the perfect way to get rid of this habit completely. That's where Alleviaid comes in. Alleviaid is a discreet, simple, and easy-to-use patch that delivers results fast and efficiently. Utilizing transdermal technology, Alleviaid will help you get the results you deserve as fast as possible, without cravings or withdrawals. Another bonus is that Alleviaid is composed of all natural ingredients, such as ginger oil, clove oil, and peppermint powder, to name a few, so you won't need to worry about synthetic or harmful chemicals.